Yes, my people, good day. Working on the Mercedes-Benz E350, removing the right front CV axle because it's all torn up, you see? It came out in pieces and the other piece stuck in the transmission. This is what the axle looks like. It has 3 little studs there, and that piece you see falling off, that's a bearing. It uses 3 little bearings, and that's what the bearings look like. Now, back to the piece that is stuck in the transmission. You see that right there? That has to come out. And the way they designed this thing all convoluted, you can't get to the back portion of it to pry it or pop it out. What you going to do in a situation like this? Let me show you. You see that right there? That's a trusty old bolt, like an extra bolt. I just set it in there crossways like that. Look, take a close look that you can tell it's just a little regular bolt. And then now, after you set the bolt in there, you break out a next necessary piece of equipment. You see that right there? You need to know how to weld if you're trying to be great in this field. You have to can weld. So, I'm not the best at stick welding, as you can tell right here. I was going to edit this piece out, but man, hey, we're all at different levels and different stages, so just work with me. I will get there eventually. So, hey, see, now I'm on a roll, baby. Once I get rolling, I ain't backing off, boy. This thing gonna be in there. No, before you're doing any kind of welding, you see them flames? Those flames are real. Make sure, say, you don't have a fuel line right above it, or you don't have any dry insulation or anything like that right above it. Right where I'm working there, where you see it blazing up, it's just on the frame rail where you see it blazing up, right? So you just keep an eye on that and make sure say you step back sometime and look up top. Make sure that the smoke up top is not greater than the smoke you're generating down low. Because you know you would have a problem. Now, after that, you get your slide hammer. After you weld everything nice, and you just use the hook part of the slide hammer and you just hook it onto that bolt that you weld in there. Yeah, man, it worked just as simple as that. Just as simple as that. See it there. See me doing it there. Thread it all the way down, and then and that thing pop right out, almost like when they pop the Krispy Kreme donut light on. You see that? Yeah, man. Yeah. I am so very happy at this point. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. That's what the bolt looked like when we hook it and everything. Yo, that thing had no chance up against me. Yeah, man, have a nice day, bless. Yeah. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.